John here. I feel like he's gonna get some good cracks. Oh yeah. You ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here we go. Ooh. Damn. Your neck's been messed up? Because when you're going along here, you feel left side for sure, right up there. Then you're, actually, left side right there. Yeah. Couple spots there. All right. Lay on your right side, facing me. Video with other people's music. Copyright. Nice. Other side. Any breakdancing battles yet?
Ah, man.
Lately?
Nah, I guess this year. I'm going hard this year.
So the last one you got, and you kind of broke your hand, right?
Yeah, my wrist.
Okay, so you haven't done it since?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get you back. We'll get you back.
When I hit, I'm almost there.
Well, because I saw it. You showed me a video last time. Like, you do, like, head spins and shit, don't you?
Yeah.
You don't mess around. You don't mess around. I like it. Nice. That was good. Back. Yeah, you gotta be like a damn good athlete to do all that stuff. Like, you're almost like a gymnast.
Yeah, almost.
Almost.
Yeah.
Lift that head up, John. There you go. Head back. How's your sleep been?
It's been alright.
It's been all right?
Yeah.
It's been worse, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Good. Let those shoulders fall back.
Oh
my gosh. That was deep. That was deep. Hey man, you can try to keep a straight face on that one, but
No.
that got your how far down?
What, right here?
Yeah, all the way.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that.
Oh man. That was crazy.
That was crazy. Good. Let me get this lower on the right here. We gotta get upper on the left.
Whoa.
Man. Starting the new year off right.
Yeah. Super right.
Alright. So you put your hand here. Good.
I feel taller.
I know that Y strap, you probably had like 20 cracks on there.
Yeah, for sure. Oof.
Now you're extra tall.
Yeah.
Let's see, you want 2 tall legs.
Oh. Popping everywhere.
Alright, let's bring this on here. Good.
Oh.
Ooh. Sheesh.
Yeah.
I'll have what you're having, okay?
Let's go.
Lift your head up. Good. Head back all the way. Wow.
Oh, you cracked the egg back there.
What? Yeah, the egg and everything. What didn't crack today?
A lot.
Face this way for me. Good. Sit back there for me. A little more forward. There we go. Good. So we got in here, we got to get a little bit upper.
Okay.
That's where I was feeling some stuff. Open up here, bud.
Damn. You just pulled my neck earlier and it's still cracking.
If we don't get 100 cracks, we didn't do the job.
101.
101.
Oh, wow.
Woo! Like this for the neck curve, and you're going to be flying high, my friend.
Already there.
Already there. That natural head rush.